Hey guys, it's day 7 of our advent calendar because it is December 7th here in Australia, and we are going to just get to it. Sebastian's already going through the advent calendar box. He's so cute. Bubba, you want to show off what's in your box? Which one's your favorite car so far? You picked the colored pencil. Okay, that's fine. Colored pencil's not a car, but I asked him to pick what his favorite thing was in the box. That's fine. We are on... Where's day 7? Here it is. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. We got a little reindeer. Oh, look, we got a little reindeer. He wants it. Okay, that's fine. Cute. Come here. Come on, get on the bed. Let's show our friends. Oh. We're back in his room, but we're on his bed. Can you show up your reindeer? Nope. Okay. Oh, you're just going to put it in the advent box. Yeah, he knows. Okay, well, let's do mommy's. Day 7. Oh, it's hiding underneath the Santa that we just opened yesterday. Ignore the coloring on the wall. We're going to paint his room in a couple months. So, we really don't care about the colors on the wall. I mean, if we really did care, they're all washable crayons. We would just, like, scrub it off. But we're painting it soon, so I don't really care right now. So day number 7 is a glue stick. I am definitely going to be putting this away. It's a glue stick with Santa on it. And it just says glue stick. Is it sticky? Let's see. Stick. Yep. It's stuck. Kind of. There we go. It's stuck. Yeah. So it works. It's not dried out or anything. I'm happy. I was scared it was going to be dried out. I don't think I'm going to put this in the advent box. I think I'm just going to put it away. Woo! You okay? Aw. So that's all for day 7. We got a reindeer and a cool glue stick. And a kid crawling all over me. But that's okay. So thank you all for joining in on day number 7 with us. And I hope you stay tuned for tomorrow for day 8. Anyway, I hope you all have an amazing day. I love you all.